want justice. We want justice.
We want safety.
We want safety. We want safety. We want safety. Safety. Safety for women. Safety for a girl. Safety for a child.
एक दो
Rapists को फेंक दो. एक दो. Rapists को फेंक दो. एक दो. Rapists को फेंक दो.
नारी शक्ति
जिंदाबाद.
नारी
स्टार्ट कर रहे हैं ये तो कम स्टार्ट नाइस गो जस्ट लेट इट लॉन्ग two in a line.
Just look down because the road is uneven.
आम्ही कलकत्ताक जे पळय रेप केस जाल्या ते रेप केसीक अगेन्स्ट प्रोटेस्ट करपाक आमी एकठांय जाले सगळे विथ ऑल द अदर ग्रुप्स एंड द ओनली थिंग आय वॉन्ट टू से इज दॅट when a woman says no, it means no. And I would like to tell all the mothers that we need to educate our sons and they need to know the repercussion of such cases, because if they don't understand what they are doing today, then definitely they will not have any pain for what a lady is going through and what the family is going through. So it is our duty to teach each, not only the female should be held back from going out, but the guys, the boys should be made to understand that it is enough now and we will not keep quiet.
See, today we have taken this rally organized by the Lions Club of Vasco area. The rally is just to protest against the heinous and horrendous crime that has taken place in J.K. Carr Hospital in Belgaum. A young girl of 31 years was brutally raped and murdered. All her bones and all were shattered. Is this fair? A doctor by profession who was working for 36 hours continuously and had just gone to that room to rest. And she's serving the community. She's treating the patients and she's been killed so badly. It is not fair. That's why this rally is to protest against all these atrocities that are taking place in our country. I'm ashamed as a male, because the males are doing this to the women and the young girls. It is so very horrible. I think it's time that we males should realize that they are the daughters of our land and they should be protected and they should be cared for and not killed so badly. And we demand that the culprits should be taken to justice and if possible hang them, so that it sets a good example to the others who are planning to create such heinous crime. This is a very sad state of affairs of our country. I appeal to the government, please book the culprits and see that justice is done. The family has lost the girl, but let no more daughters be lost on this beautiful country of ours.
This is not an occasion to welcome, but I'm just thankful to all the members who have come here, all the groups like Lions Club. I'm from the Lions Club. I'm the region chairperson of Region 10, and I have 8 clubs with me. So we have just got together, and just one message, and many other groups got together with us. Like we have Inner Wheel, we have Red Cross, we have Goa Panchayat Mahila Shakti Abhiyan, and we have Beyond Borders, and many others like this, and the residents from this area also. So we are gathered here to show our solidarity for the incident that has happened in Kolkata and many places in several other places in India, and it's keeping on happening. Right from it started from Nirbhaya in 2012, and now in 2017 in Nirbhaya 1, then Nirbhaya 2. It's just going on 4, 5, 6, and this will again be named like this. So we want justice. We want justice so that women can independently move about everywhere. We want a little bit now. Just some days we celebrated independence. So that independence is not there for women. We cannot just move about anywhere exactly. So we want to voice out and we want to reach the parliament that they should not delay the procedures for that and arrest those people or hang them so that it should not happen again.
Because all like-minded organizations, we have got together along with Lions Club, Mahila Shakti, then we have Beyond Borders and Innerville, and all of us, we have got together to fight for our rights, because women's rights are human rights. And what we see across the country spreading its tentacles across the nation is violence and atrocities against women, which are really intolerable and going from bad to worse. And the recent incident of the doctor and the Calcutta issue has sparked and ignited flames of terror and fear psychosis in women, that we women are not safe at all in our country, whether be it Goa or all over the nation. Even students at the NSS students yesterday, you must have heard how the NSS students also were molested. And everywhere you go, whether it be workplace or anywhere, students and the women are really tortured, molested, raped, because the perpetrators of this law are never getting convictions. And there are, it should not be that we are only fighting for justice, because justice delayed is justice denied.
It is really shocking. On Independence Day, Arisa, Tej Ratik, one girl was been killed, raped and killed. It's really shocking that it is happening in India. We have no safety. Our girls have no safety. A woman is not safe. It's your own sister. It's your own. You come from a woman's womb, and still you're killing. You're trying to rape a girl. How could you be so rude after coming from a woman's womb? You don't know what is the safety of a woman. You don't know how to take care of a woman. First of all, I think so we must educate our sons. A woman should educate her son so that he does not do such incident again in future. And also, we must, whoever does even a molestation should be actually given a highest penalty. Even the smallest crime of even molestation should be given a highest penalty of being putting to death. I feel that is the only remedy for this. Then only there will be no rape cases in India and in the world.